हेलो, मैं अर्णव चटर्जी। आज मैं आप लोग के साथ डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री के बारे में। और ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री बीएससी लेवल में जो आप लोग को पढ़ना है सेमेस्टर 2 ऑनर्स में, वो फर्स्ट चैप्टर है रिएक्शन मैकेनिज्म। रिएक्शन मैकेनिज्म के बारे में मैं आज कुछ डिस्कशन करने वाला हूँ और उसी से रिलेटेड टॉपिक को आप लोग के सामने रख रहा हूँ, क्लैरिफाई कर रहा हूँ। रिएक्शन मैकेनिज्म का मीनिंग क्या होता है? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ रिएक्शन मैकेनिज्म? इट इज वेरी सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट। द मेथड बाय which a particular organic reaction are performed known as reaction mechanism. किसी भी रिएक्शन मैकेनिज्म में कुछ स्टेप्स इन्वॉल्व होते हैं और वो स्टेप्स क्या क्या हैं इसके बारे में मैं बारी बारी से डिस्कशन करूँगा। सबसे पहला स्टेप ब्रेकिंग ऑफ बॉन्ड, और ये जो बॉन्ड का ब्रेकिंग होता है आइदर बाय यूजिंग थर्मल एनर्जी और बाय लाइट एनर्जी। और बॉन्ड ब्रेकिंग दो तरीके से होता है, जिसे हम लोग कहते हैं, पहले तरीके को होमोलाइटिक बॉन्ड फ्यूजन और दूसरे तरीके को कहते हैं हेट्रोलाइटिक बॉन्ड फ्यूजन। इसके बाद जब कोई रिएक्टेंट मॉलिक्यूल का बॉन्ड ब्रेक करता है तो उस बॉन्ड ब्रेकिंग के कारण एक हाईली रिएक्टिव स्पेसिस का फॉर्मेशन होता है, जिसे हम रिएक्शन इंटरमीडिएट के नाम से जानते हैं। ये रिएक्शन इंटरमीडिएट्स जो है वेरी शॉर्ट लिव्ड स्पेसिस होते हैं। अलग अलग रिएक्शन इंटरमीडिएट पाए जाते हैं जिन्हें कार्बोकेटायन, कार्बेनियन, फ्री रेडिकल, कार्बीन, नाइट्रीन, बेंजाइन या एराइन के नाम से जाना जाता है। अब ये रिएक्शन इंटरमीडिएट शॉर्ट लिव्ड होने के कारण क्विकली रिएजेंट के साथ इंटरैक्ट करता है और रिएजेंट के साथ इंटरैक्ट करके ये फाइनली प्रोडक्ट का फॉर्मेशन करता है। यानी किसी भी रिएक्शन में दो मेन स्टेप होते हैं। द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज द ब्रेकिंग ऑफ बॉन्ड ऑफ द रिएक्टेंट मॉलिक्यूल which causing the formation of highly reactive reaction intermediate which quickly interacts with the reagent and finally converted into product. The first step, breaking a bond of a reactant molecule, is slow step, and the second step, interaction of reagent with the reaction intermediate, is very fast step. Now we'll discuss about the meaning of bond fusion one by one. As we have discussed earlier, that breaking a bond of a given reactant molecule is known as bond fusion, and bond fusion are of two types, one of which is called homolytic bond fusion and the second one is called heterolytic bond fusion. Now, we want to know that what is homolytic bond fusion. When the breaking of bond is taking place in such way by which each of the bonded atom acquire one single electron from their sharing electron, known as homolytic bond fusion. And it is important to know that homolytic bond fusion always causing the formation of free radical reaction intermediate. Now the second part, that is heterolytic bond fusion. What is heterolytic bond fusion? Heterolytic bond fusions are those type of bond fusion which is responsible for the formation of charged reactive species, which are known as heterolytic bond fusion. And as a result of heterolytic bond fusion, the reaction intermediates generally obtained are carbocation and carbanion respectively. Carbocation carries positive charge on them, and carbanium carries negative charge on them. Now comes to the next point, reagent. What are reagents? Reagents are those species which are responsible to bring about a particular chemical reaction, and these reagents are further classified into two parts, electrophilic reagent and nucleophilic reagent. Now we want to understand what are electrophilic reagent and what are nucleophilic reagent. Electrophilic reagents are those which are electron loving species or having tendency to gain the electron are known as electrophilic reagents. Electrophilic reagents are further classified into two parts, charged electrophile and neutral electrophile. All the electrophiles which carry positive charge on it are known as charged electrophile. For example, NO2 plus, R plus, RCO plus species are known as charged electrophile because of having positive charge, they have tendency to attract pair of electrons. Now, neutral electrophiles are those which do not carry any charge on it, but due to their electron deficient nature, they have tendency to accept pair of electron. Those species are known as neutral electrophile. All the electron deficient molecules like BCl3, AlCl3, etc. are known as neutral electrophile. Now, all of you want to know what is the meaning of electron deficient molecule. The covalent molecule in which the central atom do not possess octet configuration are known as electron deficient molecule. So, we have discussed very simply that electrophilic reagents are of two types, charged electrophile and neutral electrophile. Similarly, we are going to discuss about the nucleophilic reagent. What are nucleophilic reagents? Nucleophilic reagents are those which are nucleus loving or electron rich species are known as nucleophilic reagent. These reagents are further classified into two parts, charged nucleophiles and neutral nucleophiles. Now, what are charged nucleophiles? All the negatively charged ions which are electron rich in nature are known as charged electrophile. For example, Cl minus, Cn minus, Ro minus, Ho minus, etc. They are considered as charged nucleophile. Now, the last part of this classification, that is neutral nucleophiles. What are neutral nucleophiles? The nucleophiles which do not possess any charge on it, but they are electron rich in nature, are known as neutral nucleophiles. All the covalent molecules which possesses lone pair of electron are the examples of neutral nucleophiles. Hope you enjoy the class. In our next class, we'll discuss about some of the important topics about polarity, what is the meaning of polarity of organic molecule, and what are the methods by which polarity is developed on the given organic molecule. Okay, goodbye.